Good morning, Sunnywheel. What fun adventures await today?
Hey, Leo! Ready to help set up? We've got plenty of work to do before the big party tonight.
Wow, look at this place. The festival is finally here, and it looks amazing. I can't wait for everyone to...
All right, Leo. I'm ready to show off my skills in the obstacle course. Let's see who can finish first.
I'm always up for a challenge.
Look at all these fun games. I can't wait to try them out. I'm in. I'll win the ring toss game for sure. Those stuffed animals are going home with me. This is gonna be so much fun. We get to be in the parade.
I can't wait to see all the floats and decorations.
This is it, the fireworks show. I've been waiting for this all day.
Me too!
Great job today, everyone! The festival was a huge success, but now it's time to tidy up and get Sunnywheel back to normal.
Look at them. It's great to see the next generation caring for the town's beauty.
Yeah, they're gonna help make this place even better.
Look at the garden, everyone! It's amazing how far we've come. From planting the first seeds to seeing...
Look at this beautiful community center. It's going to be a place where everyone can gather and enjoy the fruits of our hard work. Look at what we've done. The garden is growing, the town is thriving, and everyone is happier because we work together.